Next up, Guardian Angel for Act 2 Tier 2 in the suite to heal operators 20 times with the Healing Aura field upgrade. While you may think you need to hop into a game with a team, you don't really need to. You can just find other players and heal them. Just make sure that you have your field upgrade set as Healing Aura. This heals all players immediately. Oh, actually, is this everyone? Surely not. Must be in the local area. If you'd like, you can enable the bottom left corner squad fill so that you get a squad when you load into an MWZ game. It's probably worthwhile just in case. That way, if you stick with them, you should pretty much always have players nearby. All we need to do now is charge up our little healing aura by getting a whole bunch of zombie kills and simply just hit X when we're nearby teammates to heal them. That's it. That's really all there is. The more kills you get, the more it recharges, and eventually we'll just be able to hit it and use it. So now that it's fully set up, all we need to do is run up to them and hit X. So just like this, bam. Now we've healed our teammates, even if they haven't taken any damage actually, and we've healed 3 of 20. Obviously you could do this very quickly if you have many teammates in one area, or rather many players in one area. You can see there's many around the map, but of course there's only a few nearby us. So for the most part, just wait for everyone to group up together, use your ability, even if nobody's low, surprisingly, and it counts as healing them. That's it. The more enemies you kill, the quicker you can get this done. Bam. Let's hit it again. Now we've got another 3 done. Now we just need to do this a bunch more times. Just need to charge up again and keep spamming it. There's a ton of people over here. If we can manage to heal all of these in one go, that would actually be pretty crazy. They're all trying to exfil now, so assuming we can actually get this charged, we should be able to get a huge amount of progress on this. Although I think the chances of that are sadly a bit low. But hypothetically, everyone's together, this would actually be a crazy opportunity. Whoa, would you look at that? Damn, we just missed it. Their team got it, my team didn't. Okay, well that's a little bit sad, but it is what it is. But now we'll head back to our teammates and just carry on playing with them. If you have no teammates, however, or nobody near you, you can always press the ability to heal yourself, and that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and use our ability when we're close together. Or in fact, we should use it somewhere here. There's a ton of people nearby. This is actually a great opportunity. I assume standing somewhere near the center of this will count for all of us. Hopefully, I'm going to press it now. Bam. And we went from 7 to 14. That's actually a huge amount that we gained. Sweet. I think these ones are just farming zombie kills, so we could probably hang around in the area and heal them, and we'll be done with this mission in no time. Yeah, that's pretty sick. We go, charge it up again. Everyone might be a bit too far apart for this, but we'll use it anyways, somewhere maybe here. Now we're actually done. That's it. We healed 20 operators. I think we need to be standing nearby them. I don't think that this is a global thing, but it actually might be. I don't know. I did this very, very quickly. If it's global, it's going to be quick. Just spam it whenever you have it. But if they need to be nearby you, try and get yourself towards a group, preferably exfil farming, much like this group was, and you'll be able to complete this in no time, really. And there we go. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. My name is Big Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.